Hello fam, how you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere this video is getting to you. My name is Kendi Adefunke, and today I will not be doing Oriki chanting, or I'll be advertising my business. No, today I want to do a movie review on a particular movie, My Baby Doll. My Baby Doll. My Baby Doll is produced by Ini Hedo. I don't know why good movie don't get more publicity. I don't know why. This movie, I rated it 100. I mean 100. When I say 100, and it's a must watch for all TTC mom. Imagine 5 miscarriages, stillbirth, 3 stillbirths, and you don't have pregnancy years. So this movie is a must watch for all couples. Watch it with your friends. It's very educative. It's an emotional roller coaster. Watch this particular part. This part got me so sad. I was crying. They hold me crying. No, look at this part.
Can't I sleep in peace in my own house? Stop it! Can't I sleep in peace in my own house?
Oh my God!
Let me tell you something, okay? This is what you get when you wake me up on sleep to go and take care of a bloody doll!
So bad. You can imagine. Ike Ogbonna really did well. So I don't know. You can watch this movie with your husband, with your spouse, with your family, with your in-laws. Try and watch this movie because it's very educative. You will learn a lot from it. We need to treat TTC mom better. Grieving is very hard. Thank you so much, guys, and trust me, you won't. When I said what, you won't regret watching this movie. TTC mom, you need to watch this movie. It's very, very educative. And please, if you want to watch it, don't watch it alone. You can watch it with your spouse, in-law. If you are still cutting, please, you need to watch this movie because it's very educative. Thank you.